Join 4E Stories and subscribe our YouTube channel.
Once upon a time in a peaceful jungle, there lived a tiny mouse named Momo. He was small but full of courage and kindness. In the same jungle lived a giant elephant named Elly, who was strong but gentle at heart. All the animals thought they had nothing in common, so they could never be friends. One sunny morning, Momo accidentally wandered into a trap laid by hunters. He was caught in a net and squeaked loudly for help. The other animals were too afraid to go near, but Elly, who was passing by, heard the cries. With his big, strong trunk, he ripped the net apart and freed Momo. "Thank you, Elly. You're my hero," said Momo with shining eyes. Elly smiled and replied, "Even the smallest friend is worth saving." From that day on, Momo and Elly became best friends. They played by the river, shared fruits, and even told each other stories under the moonlight. Everyone in the jungle was surprised. How could such a tiny creature be best friends with someone so big? One day, while Elly was walking through a narrow trail, he accidentally stepped on a sharp thorn and collapsed in pain. He trumpeted loudly, but no one dared to help him, except Momo. Momo rushed to his side and said, "Don't worry, I'm here." With his tiny paws, he carefully pulled out the thorn and brought water from a nearby stream using a big leaf. Elly looked at Momo with grateful eyes. "You saved me," he said softly. The jungle animals were amazed. They had never seen such a strong bond between two so different creatures. From then on, everyone respected their friendship and learned that size doesn't matter when hearts are connected. Momo and Elly continued their adventures, stronger than ever. They showed the world that true friendship is built on kindness, love, and trust, not size or strength. Moral: true friendship knows no size, no shape, only the strength of love and loyalty.